Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the Dutch graveyard and the historica famosa in Melaka. The Dutch graveyard, a silent reminder of the Dutch occupation in Melaka. It's a place of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Welcome to the enchanting story of Dutch graveyard in St. Paul's Hills. This hidden gem holds a captivating history you won't find anywhere else. Nestled amidst the stunning landscape of St. Paul's Hills, the Dutch graveyard stands as a testament to the Dutch settlers, who once called this place home. Dating back to the 17th century, these brave pioneers braved the unknown, embarking on a journey to build a new life on foreign soil. The graveyard is adorned with weathered gravestones, each one telling a unique story of love, loss, and resilience. As the sun sets over the horizon, it casts a golden glow over the centuries-old tombstones, creating a peaceful and ethereal atmosphere. The tombstones themselves feature intricate carvings and inscriptions, showcasing the skilled craftsmanship of the era. Reading the inscriptions on these tombstones, you'll discover the names of those who came before us, their lives etched forever in history. People from all walks of life visit this sacred place, leaving behind flowers, trinkets, and heartfelt messages, as a tribute to those who have passed. The Dutch graveyard serves as a reminder of our shared humanity, and the importance of honoring those who came before us. So next time you find yourself near St. Paul's Hills, take a moment to visit this enchanting Dutch graveyard and connect with the past. Our next stop is famosa. Begin your exploration with a visit to the iconic St. Paul's Church, a breathtaking testament to Melaka's rich colonial past. Marvel at the intricate Portuguese architecture and soak in the serene ambience that surrounds this ancient church. Explore the breathtaking beauty of St. Paul's Hills in our previous video. Welcome to famosa Melaka, a historic treasure trove nestled in the heart of Malaysia. Journey with us as we unveil the historical gems and cultural delights of this remarkable destination. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our videos. Built in the 15th century, famosa has withstood the test of time. Its architecture is a blend of Eastern and Western influences, a true symbol of Melaka's diverse cultural heritage. The oldest part of the fortress was a 5-story keep, which gave its name to the fortress as a whole. Sometime following the Battle of Melaka in 1641 and the occupation of the city by the Dutch, the keep was destroyed but the outer walls of the fortress were reinforced. However, in 1807 the British destroyed most of the fortress. The Porta de Santiago gateway and the restored Middelburg bastion are the only parts of the fortress that remain today. They are among the oldest European architectural remains in Southeast Asia and the Far East. Famosa means the famous in Portuguese. Its alternate Portuguese name is Fortaleza Velha, or Old Fortress. During the Dutch era it was known in Dutch as Slavenberg, or Slave Castle, and de Misericord, or Our Lady of Mercy. Although famosa was technically the name at first given to the main watchtower, and then to the entire fortress of Melaka, in the present day it most often refers to the only remaining gate of the fortress, the Porta de Santiago. The name famosa is thus a unique case of a pars pro toto, which then became a totem pro part over the course of time. That's it for today's adventure, fellow travelers. If you enjoyed our journey through famosa and the Dutch graveyard, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Out to Travel for more exciting travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring. We hope to see you again.